to my class. I am Pamela Jasmine. Today I am going to teach interchange of the degrees of comparison. The adjective of quality can be used in three forms: positive, comparative and superlative. They are called the degrees of comparison. And positive, what is positive? Positive is the simple form of adjective. For example, strong. Strong is an adjective. That is in the plain form. And even good and great. These are adjectives in plain form. That is the positive degree. Now, comparative. Comparative is that is a higher degree than positive. We can compare two things or two persons like that. So for that there are two forms. So if it is good, then we can tell better. Better is the comparison of good. Good is the positive, then comparison is better, and superlative is the best. And same way, another word, strong. Strong we can use in three forms. Strong is the positive, stronger is the comparative, and strongest is the superlative. So strong is a small word. With small words, monosyllabic words, that means small words in one syllable words, we can use er and est with the plain adjective. Plain adjective is positive. With the positive, we can use er. That means if it is strong, we can use stronger for comparative, and est, that is strongest for the superlative. But if the adjective is a big word, for example, beautiful, intelligent, difficult, for such words, they are big words. With that, we cannot use er and est. For that, we have to use more and most. If it is beautiful, beautiful is a big word. So, with big words, we can use more and most for comparative and superlative. If it is comparative, we have to use more beautiful. And if it is superlative, we have to use most beautiful. So, if it is good, we will use better, best. If it is bad, we can use worse, worst. So, like that. So, comparative degree, we have discussed comparative degree. Now, superlative. Superlative is the highest degree. That indicates the best. With this superlative, we have to use a definite article. Definite article is the. So, we can tell the best, the most beautiful, the most intelligent, and the strongest, the greatest, like that. So, these are the three forms of the degree. The three forms of degrees of comparison are positive, comparative, and superlative. Now, we can interchange these degrees without changing the meanings of the sentence. So, we should be very careful that we should not change the meaning. So, we can change the degree. So, for example, PV Sindhu is the best badminton player of India. So, best is the superlative. We can interchange these degrees in other two forms also. So, PV Sindhu is the best badminton player of India. We can tell that in comparative without changing the meaning of the sentence. So, comparative. PV Sindhu is better than any other badminton player of India. So, that means PV Sindhu is the best only. So, PV Sindhu is better than any other badminton player of India. Now, positive. For positive, we have to start with a negative word. So we call it positive, but we have to start with a positive word. For example, no other badminton player of India is as good as PV Sindhu. Now let's discuss more examples. I have written everything and I'll show you. You can refer it for and you can do it with that. Okay, so let me show you the written one and then we can discuss the examples. Here are the examples of interchange of degrees. So here, first of all, we are taking the word bold. Bold is an adjective. This bold is the positive form, that is simple form of adjective. And its comparative is bolder. And its superlative is boldest. So we'll see. First sentence is in the comparative form. Rani is bolder than any other girl in the team. That is comparative. Okay. Then, now, superlative. Rani is the boldest girl in the team. That is superlative. And its positive form. See, when we write the positive form, we have to start the sentence with no other. So, mostly we have to use no other. Only in one form, we have to use another form. So, no other girl in the team is as bold as Rani. That is the positive form. So, we can see bold, bolder, boldest. Bold is the positive form, bolder is the comparative form, and boldest is the superlative. Now, we will see bigger words. So, this bold is having only one syllable. That means in one sound we are telling bold. But here more syllables are there in big words. Difficult. So this is a big word. We cannot use ER and EST for comparative and superlative. So in this we have to use more difficult and most difficult. See, rope climbing is the most difficult task. That is in superlative form, most difficult. So we'll see the comparative form. Rope climbing is more difficult than any other task. That this sentence is also have the same meaning. That means it is the most difficult task. Rope climbing is more difficult than any other task. That means it is the most difficult task. Now we can see the positive form. No other task is as difficult as rope climbing. That is the positive form. Now in another form, that is one of the. If the sentence starts with one of the, not starting, but if the sentence is with the phrase one of the, then the entire thing will change. So here, then in that we have to write the positive starting with very few. So here the first sentence is in the positive form. So rich, richer and richest. See here if the sentence starts with very few, that means it is the superlative is in the format one of the. So here very few countries are as rich as America. That means America is not the richest, not the only richest country. So here it is, that is why it is written very few countries are as rich as America. That is the positive form. Then see the comparative. America is richer than most other countries. Because very few countries are as rich as America. So here America is richer than most other countries. That is a comparative form. Now see the superlative. America is one of the richest countries. That is the superlative form. So if one of the phrase is there, one of the richest, then positive will be very few. So start the positive with very few countries. Then see the now rich, richer, richest. But the sentence is with one of the richest. See, now next, that is also with one of the. P.T. Usha is one of the fastest runners of India. That is superlative. So P.T. Usha is not the only one fastest. P.T. Usha is one of the fastest runners of India. That is a superlative. Now see the comparative. P.T. Usha is faster than most other runners of India. Here we are using most other. We are not using any other. If it is any other, that means P.T. Usha is the fastest runner. But here P.T. Usha is one of the fastest runners of India. So its comparative is P.T. Usha is faster than most other runners of India. So see the positive. Very few runners. See, starting with very few. Very few runners are as fast as P.T. Usha. If it is in the normal format, we should start the positive with no other. So here it is one of the format. So we are using very few. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you. God bless.